I did a lot of improv using a rock in my backyard, and I was really inspired by Helen's quote about being mesmerized by the clouds and the change in nature. So I spent a lot of time just looking up and looking around at everything around me.
I was in my backyard and inspired by the fact that we got a chance to do a live improv at the last open rehearsal to the painting Untitled 1996, I decided to try to take it outside and use my backyard as a backdrop, recreating the lines and shapes and the angles with the horizontal and vertical lines.
I really felt like it was blurring the lines between myself and the tree and nature. And I felt really connected to Helen and was very excited to connect all of those elements to each other.